Hello, and welcome to my disaster of a closet. I desperately need to clean this place out. It has been like this probably since we moved in, and I've just kind of accumulated more and more clothing and nothing has really gone out. So we need to declutter, organize, clean, just make this a very functional closet again. Hey, Leo. Alright, so we got a lot going on in here. We currently are trying to hang up all the clothes on the floor. These clothes over here used to belong in a dresser that I had, but I put that in Leo's room, so now they're just kind of on the floor. I need to figure out where they're going. And then I need to hang up these clothes as well and kind of just put stuff away. Our closet is a mess. So I'm currently trying to hang these up. And let's see. We have way too many clothes. These are Oscar's. And these are mine. Yeah, I have way too many. Need to declutter. This is our little shoe rack here. It's a bookcase, but I just use it as a shoe rack because I really don't own that many books. And then I plan to use these crates down here as like little shoe cubbies as well. Because this is just getting overwhelmed and I need to organize this. There's just a lot going on. Then we got all this up here. Definitely need to go through all this. A lot of this just doesn't fit me anymore since having a baby. So I need to go through all this. A lot of it isn't even clothes. I have a lot of bags up here. And then on this side we have like all of our blankets, which are just so disorganized. I just need to go through and make this look better. But yeah, that's the overview of our closet so far. Leo is helping in his own way. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah, aren't you, Leo? You're so cute. You're so cute. Oscar's at work right now, so I just really want to get this done and over with. Not the best angle, but it's gonna have to work for now. He's like, I'm over it. Alright, so I got most of that cleaned over there. I need to hang all these up. They're on their hangers. And then just some other things that were on the floor that we need to put away. And then we'll move on to this side. Yeah, it's a mess in here. Alright, so I got all these folded. I'm going to put these in the dresser in our bedroom, or maybe I'll just make like a little cubby area in the closet. I'm not really sure yet. And then these are my maternity clothes, so I'll just probably store those somewhere. And then these are just some things that I decluttered. Alright, so I think I'm going to move these brown crates to be along this wall so we can put our shoes in. And then all of my dresses I'm going to move to over here on this rack, just so they're not in the way of all the shoes, because those are the only things that kind of dangle that low. So I bought a lot of dresses while I was pregnant because they were just the most comfortable things, and they also look professional because I used to work in an office. So these were just, you know, this is just kind of what I lived in all day. And then now, postpartum, I still enjoy dresses because they are still very comfortable. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. Because the dresses that I wore while I was pregnant, they still fit me now. Alright, so I got most of them moved over here. And yeah, I think this will be good, hopefully. Alright, I got 4 of them lined up here. Hopefully this will be good for the shoes. And this has enough room to come out, so it looks functional. Crawling baby alert, crawling baby, coming through. Are you crawling? Oh. Alright, so this is going to be all of my long socks and pantyhose. It currently doesn't really have that much in here, but I do have other socks that I can add to it. So I think I'm just going to put this right here for now. I took all the shoes off of here and decided to just organize them over here. So I put these little hanging shelves here for like my flats and sandals. Since there was so much room in between, I just thought this would be nice to kind of separate them. And I did declutter some of my shoes that I don't wear anymore, and I had to just be real with myself and get rid of them, even though I really didn't want to. It's hard separating with stuff, but I just had to, so that's how the shoes look. And then now I'm working on all of my accessories here, so these are mainly just like belts and stuff. And then I have like 2 hats. I don't really wear hats that often, unless I go to the lake or something like that, where it's like super hot outside. But I think I'm just gonna put my hats right here, because these are literally the only hats I own. But yeah, I'm gonna just organize these, and I think I'm gonna put them right here maybe would be nice, so that way I can still have stuff at the bottom if I want to. Forgot I had this belt. Look how cute that is. It has a little snake on it. Okay, so I decided to move everything down here. I think the setup just looks a little bit better. Hats, accessories, belts and stuff, and then all of my knee-high socks with pantyhose, and I can add some more in there too. Alright, so we are finally finished with the closet. I am so excited to show y'all. So as you first walk in, here to the left I have this little bookshelf which I'm using for my pants to kind of organize them. And this also includes my sweatpants, things to sleep in, stuff like that. Also leggings, jeans, and pants that I used to wear to work, so more like professional attire. Then I have my accessories on this bottom row with hats, with also some socks and leggings. And then right next to all that I have this little plastic dresser thing, which just holds all of my swim stuff. So then I have a space here for all the extra hangers. I decided to put all of the jackets on this area since it's a little bit shorter. So this just consists of jackets, cardigans, and sweaters. Pretty much anything for warmth. And then over here next to it, I have all of my lovely dresses. Oh yeah, and also I organized everything kind of in like a color coordinated thing. So I tried to pair all the colors together. So these are just all of my basic shirts. They're all in order of color. And then I also did the same thing with Oscar's side. He mostly has like black. So you know, that's his personality. But yeah, let's not forget the shoes. So all the shoes are kind of organized like this. For mine, I have these little hanging baskets just so I can put like my flats and stuff in there. And then all the boots are at the top. So that's like our little shoe organizer thing. All right, and then up top, I have all of my purses, all of my little backpack purses right here. Then more of like my bigger ones for like, I guess, vacation and stuff. And then these were some of my older purses. I don't really carry these around anymore because I just kind of use a diaper bag now. Mom life. And then these are just our backpacks and things. And then all on this side, we have all of our bedding. So I kind of organized it as winter and then like our normal bedding, sheets, and pillowcases. And then this is Oscar's dresser right here, so he keeps all of his other clothes in here, like pants, socks, what have you. And then just some extra clothes hangers in the back. And then the back of the door is just where I hang all of my robes. There's not really a graceful way to hang these, but that's just where they hang out. And then I also decluttered these 2 bags of clothing and shoes. But I will most likely have to go through and declutter again because I feel like there's still a few more things I didn't really want to give away, but I honestly just don't wear anymore. So I'll probably go through again and declutter when I feel ready to. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed and peace out.